Hello everyone. Welcome to MS English Diary. My name is Roji. I moved to the United States to pursue better opportunities, and I want to share my story about how I improved my English. When I first started, I just wanted to get better so I could find a good job. At that time, speaking English felt difficult, and I often lacked confidence. But I didn't give up. Step by step, I practiced every day, and slowly I became more fluent and confident. Today, I'll tell you about 7 simple habits that really helped me on my journey, and I believe they can help you too. 1. Daily practice. Every day, I spent some time with English. Sometimes I read a news article, and other times I listen to a short podcast for about 20 minutes. This small routine made a big difference. 2. Watch and listen to English. I regularly watched English TV shows and movies, and I listened to podcasts. One of my favorites was Friends because it was simple and funny. I also enjoyed listening to TED Talks. 3. Talk in English. I tried to speak English as much as I could. I joined a small conversation group and practiced with friends who spoke English. Even short conversations helped me feel more confident. 4. Write in English. I started writing every day. Sometimes it was a journal, and sometimes just short essays on topics I liked. Writing helped me organize my thoughts in English. 5. Learn new words. I made it a habit to learn new words and review them often. Flashcard apps like Anki and Quizlet helped me remember vocabulary better. 6. Read books. I chose books in English that I enjoyed. One of the first books I read was To Kill a Mockingbird, and I also enjoyed reading The Alchemist. I read only a few pages each day, but it slowly built my reading skills. 7. Listen to English. I practiced listening to different accents and speeds. Audiobooks, podcasts, and radio shows gave me more natural English exposure. Thank you so much for listening to my story. I hope these 7 habits inspire you to practice English every day and never give up. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every small step you take brings you closer to success. Keep believing in yourself, and one day you will speak English with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to MS English Diary for more stories and lessons. Keep practicing, stay positive, and keep learning.